Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make pudding using only 3 ingredients. Even my daughter can make it, so I think you can make it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Mix everything together. I'm using a spouted measuring cup because it is easy to pour in later. You can add vanilla extract if you prefer. Now strain through a strainer into the cups. I'm using a tea strainer, by the way. As you can see, the egg mixture is very slimy, so you want it to make it smooth. Now cover with aluminum foil or plastic wrap is okay. Place them into a pan. Add water just about a ½ inch across the bottom of the cups. Cover and bring to a boil. When it becomes to a boil, turn down to low and cook for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, stop the heat and leave for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, if you need caramel sauce, you can make it. It is very easy. What you do is heat 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water in a saucepan. Then when they become brown, add 1 tablespoon of water to stop hardening and browning. By the way, do not use a spoon, just tilt the pan, otherwise the sugar will crystallize. Open and check if it is done. If you need caramel, you can put it on top. Cover and put in the fridge until cold. And now it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
美味しいね。
上手にできました。
美味しい。
いただきます。これは黙々と娘が食べてしまうはずです。すごく美味しい。実は試食の分1個だけ残してくれたけど全部食べちゃいました。グラニュー糖じゃなくて普通の上白糖を使っているので、もう本当にすごく優しい甘さです。子供にもぴったりなおやつなのでぜひ作ってみてください。またねー。